The FDA is encouraging the industry to move from burdensome computer system validation to computer software assurance. But there is a lot of confusion and inaccurate information on this topic. If you want your questions answered on this topic, look no further than the CSA Revolution mini-series. Get your questions answered by CSA experts who've traveled the road with the FDA and the industry from the very beginning of this CSA journey. We start our series with the question, what is the ultimate goal of CSA?
The goal of CSA really, it's a seismic shift in our thinking. For years in this industry, we have been focused on creating documents for an auditor for audit's sake. More than the quality of the system, we think about, will our docs pass muster and audit? We think about, are our test cases complete? Have we mapped every requirement? Have we been detailed in all of our instructions? Can it be executed by anyone off the street? Are all of our requirements mapped, user to functional, design to config? And it's what I call the documentation game. It's about overwhelm someone in an audit with documentation to prove that you're compliant. And really, that's the problem. It's all about demonstrating compliance, and we need to stop thinking about demonstrating compliance. Shift that focus, and this is really what CSA does, shift that focus into making sure the system works, making sure the system is quality, making sure it doesn't do harm to patient safety, making sure it has no detriment on product quality, right? Understanding how that computer system impacts patient safety and product quality. And the truth is, most of the times in these QMS systems or manufacturing systems or even laboratory systems, there are multiple hops or quality processes between the computer system under validation and actual potential to do harm to patient. So CSA is about right-sizing the risk. It's sizing the risk of your computer system to reality.